Hey guys, it's almost back to school, and if you're going to college, you're gonna need to get that dorm room together. So let's go shopping at Target and see what they have. Alright, so you know your girl went to Target, and I had to show you all of the dorm room essentials that I saw in the store so far, okay? And I say so far, so that means make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for another video. More stuff, more in detail, and yeah, once they start putting out some more stuff, I'm gonna have to show it to you. But first up is the bedding. So you guys, the room essentials in Target, this line has pretty much everything you need, okay? They have bedding, they have pillows. Look at that. How cute is that little sleep mask and then a pillowcase to go with it? Different styles and sizes of pillows, different shapes. So lots of different options for you to choose from. And like I said, I know they're gonna put out more stuff, so there'll be more things coming. Now this section right here is always my favorite, you guys, because I'm sorry, you do not have to be in college to enjoy shopping this little section, okay? Look at this headband and the little wristlets, the wrist towels to go on your wrist whenever you're like doing your hair or getting out of the shower. And you guys, yes, I have bought these before because I love them. These little shower wraps are so cute, very functional, okay? They stay on. They're definitely approved by me. They also had lots of different towels and towel sets for you to choose from. So whether you want to get individual towels or sets, they have lots of them to choose from, and they are at a reasonable price, okay? So a lot of the individual towels that you're gonna see coming up are actually on clearance. Then they have some rugs. I know these rugs say bath rugs, but you guys, look, when you're shopping for a dorm room, sometimes, especially with the size and the space that you have, why not use a bath rug in the room if you like it, okay? There may be a little area in front of like your little sink. I know certain dorm rooms are set up to where they have just a sink on each side, and then, you know, the full bathroom area might be down the hall. But you can still put one of those cute little bath rugs in front of your sink. So yeah, keep that in mind. And you don't always have to use everything for exactly what the title says, okay? Even though it says bathroom rug, you can use it in the room itself. So there are lots of colors and stuff for you to choose from as well. And then the little organization caddies, okay? I know I said this in my video last year, but you guys, those little organizational caddies to go for the bathroom are essential. Like, you really need these ones that are coming up here, because you're gonna have to bring stuff back and forth if you don't have a room that has some form of bathroom connected, okay? Now there's also another little caddy that I saw and that I'm gonna show you guys coming up that would definitely be able to be used for a bath caddy as well, but I have some other little ideas for it too. So once we get to that, I'll tell you about it. But yes, these storage containers and like all of these little sets here are actually closer to the school supplies in the areas where the teacher stuff is. But you guys, you can use these to organize your dorm room for sure. So definitely check out that section. I feel like these could be used for so many things. You can put them on top of like your little desk area. These could be used for different organization options in your closets or the drawers. I mean, maybe for stuff like socks, you could definitely use one of those for that. And this little caddy here, I feel like this could be used for a bath caddy, but it can also be used for like personal hygiene items or like medicines, like little Q-tips and cotton balls and things like that. I feel like those are some things that you will want to have, and you need somewhere to store them, okay? So you guys, definitely keep that in mind. I'm definitely going to come back with another video so that I can show you more stuff as they put it out, because of course we have to see the refrigerators, the rolling storage containers, and all that other good stuff for your dorm room. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, I will see you in the next one. And I think I'm gonna go shopping with my nephew too. So yeah, just be on the lookout.